Namaskar. Today's video topic is on documents required before filing income tax return. Complete checklist for assessment of 2026-27. Have you ever started filing your income tax return and suddenly realized where is my form 16 and where is my bank interest certificate and where can I find form 26S? Then you stop filing, spend hours searching for documents, and sometimes even file an incorrect return. So, friends, most mistakes in income tax return don't happen while filing the return. They happen before filing the return itself because taxpayer don't keep the required documents ready before filing the return. So in today's video, I will share a complete practical checklist of the documents you should keep ready before filing your income tax return for assessment year 2026-27. If these documents are ready, filing your return becomes much easier and much more accurate. Namaskar friends, I am Ghanasyam Beura. Welcome to Ghanasyam Explains. On this channel, we simplify income tax, GST, accounting and professional practice in an easy to understand manner. Let's begin the topic. Actually, why is the document collection important? Before opening the income tax portal, don't start filing your return immediately. First, collect all the necessary documents. These documents help you report the correct income, claim eligible deductions, verify taxes already deducted so that you will avoid notices due to incorrect reporting. Now let's see the complete checklist of documents. PAN card. It is the most common and important document for filing income tax return, and it is also the user ID for logging into the income tax portal. So it's normally very important. Aadhaar Card, second document is you have to verify the Aadhaar details are correct. Check whether your PAN and Aadhaar are linked wherever applicable. If it's linked, then not required to. Just check your Aadhaar details are correctly filled up in the income tax portal. Specifically for salary employees, Form 16 is very important. Third document is Form 16. This is one of the most important documents for income tax return filing in the case of salary employees. What it contains actually? Form 16 contains salary income in sometimes with the breakup, TDS deducted by the employer, certain exemptions and deductions considered by the employer as per the declaration given by the employee. Always compare Form 16 with your other tax records. Sometimes some deductions given which are actually not happen or excess deduction given actually less amount is eligible. So you can verify Form 16 and actual records so that it will be corrected or correct amount of deductions entered while you are filing the income tax return. And what else it is shows? TDS, tax deducted at source, tax collected at source, advance tax if any you have paid in the past, and self-assessment tax if you are paid before filing income tax returns. It will show in Form 16. And certain high value transactions. So never file your return without checking Form 626 as. And in the complete of the documents list, I will show you how you will download Form 26S and where you will download it. Then another important document is Annual Information Statement, AIS. So AIS provides a much broader picture. It may contain salary, interest, dividend, capital gains, securities transaction tax if you are trading or investing in share market, specified financial transactions like purchase of land, sales or sale of land, the foreign remittances if any, and several other reported transactions. Always verify AIS before filing. I will show you in the last how you will get AIS from income tax portal. Then salary slips. Many people think if there is a Form 16, salary slip not required. But actually in Form 16, sometimes its breakup is given and sometimes breakup given but not adequate breakup given and sometimes total breakup not given. So salary slips actually provides the breakup of salary and deduction of the salary from the salary. For example, HRA received mentioned in the salary slip, sometimes not many times not mentioned in the Form 16. So in that case, we cannot calculate exact amount of HRA deductions which is eligible actually as per the income tax rules. So salary slips is very important and keep your salary slip ready before filing the return of income tax return. Then bank statements. It's really very important documents. क्योंकि collect bank statement help to identify interest income if credited to your bank account. Other credits also, if some other credit amounts credited to your bank account, you can verify it and report it. Otherwise, it will be left while filing your return of incomes. Important other financial transactions also you will see from bank statements. Another important is interest certificates. If you have savings account, fixed deposits, recurring deposits, or other interest bearing deposits, collect the interest certificate from your banks or financial institutions. Collecting interest certificate in the case of savings bank account not required actually, but fixed deposit, recurring deposits, and other interest bearing deposits you need to collect interest certificate before filing income tax return. Dividend statements. If you are an investor and receive dividend, then keep dividend statements ready. Dividend income is generally taxable under the applicable provisions. Earlier it was exempted, however now it is taxable. Capital gain statement. If you have invested in shares, mutual funds, and bonds or other capital assets, then obtain the capital gain statement from your broker before filing. This is essential for correct reporting. Home loan interest certificate. If you have taken any home loans, so collect the interest certificate issued by your lender. This may be relevant while computing income from house property and other eligible benefits under the applicable tax provisions. Rent receipt wherever applicable. If you have taken house on rent, rent receipts also required, and you have given house on rent, rent receipts also required. Donation receipts. If you have donated to some eligible institutions or to political parties, then you have eligible for donations, deductions. So collect the donations receipts and preserve it. Investment proofs. If you are invested in this LIC and other related things, then you have to collect those also. Friends, all these are very important documents. And another is business records for business and professionals, businessmen and professionals. If you are carrying on business or profession, keep ready your bank statement first, then books of accounts, profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash book, purchase register, sales register, expenses details, GST records, TDS details, and these are essential for preparing an accurate return. One practical advice, don't depend upon memory, prepare a folder, physical or digital. Store every tax document there throughout the year. When filing season arrives, most of your work is already complete. Friends, collecting document is the first and one of the most important steps in filing an accurate income tax. So the more organized your documents are, the smoother your filing process will be. As I told, Form 26S and AIS can be downloaded from income tax portal. So let me show you that from where you can download it. Open incometax.gov.in and log in to the portal using your PAN card and password. Let me log in first, and after that I will show you. Now I am logging to my portal actually, my income tax portal. You after logging in, you have to go to e-file, then income tax returns, and you will find Form 26S. For Form 26S, agree, click on agree, and you will view tax credit Form 26S. After opening, you will get to select assessment year, assessment 26-27, and view as HTML, view or download. Here you will get the details. And if you want to download, it's export as PDF. Form 26S, then here is AIS, Annual Information Statement. Click another tab will open, and here download AIS. Then Annual Information Statement, PDF, download it. Upon clicking it, it will be downloaded to your folder. So friends, the documents required before filing ITR has been completed, and please collect all the documents before filing income tax return so that your filing will complete without any mistake. So tell me in the comments which documents creates the most confusion while filing your income tax return. Is it Form 16, AIS, Form 26S, or capital gain statement? If you have any other questions regarding documents required for ITR filing, mention it in the comments, and I will try to cover it in an upcoming video. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to CA Ghanasyam Explains, because our objective is simple: to simplify taxation and finance, one concept at a time. Thank you. Jai Hind.